organizations have started implementing measures stipulated by the government for places of worship to reopen. After the lockdown was lifted, the government proposed 5 conditions that would be observed if and when places of worship are reopened. The conditions include increasing the number of church services so as to limit congregation numbers, shifting from the normal hand offerings to using digital payments, and adhering to all hygiene measures. All chairs have to be marked used or not, and hand washing facilities have to be present at all entrances.
Preparing ourselves for church opening. Now we are in our 3rd week of preparation. We have done a number of things in preparation. We had to create an area for our church members where they can come and wash their hands. We prepared a team that's helping them to wash their hands, measure their temperature. As you came in, you could see that here at the entrance, so the temperature is determined, and the washing bay is really decent. We've created an online registration form, so you don't actually have to register in the books here. You could go online and register to be in the service. We've created protocols of how you enter the church, as you can see them. We have, our church used to seat about 800 people. Now it can seat 100 people.
The government urges all churchgoers to register at the church before starting prayers, and online, churches should limit the number of worshippers entering the church in order to maintain social distancing. We spoke to a few Christian faithfuls to tell us how they are adjusting to these new changes.
To me, it wasn't that hard because of online services. So it was a little bit different, but more personal and more family bonding kind of thing. Yeah, so we really enjoyed having church at home because it never stopped. You just had church at home in a different place.
So yeah, the lockdown made everything different. It was a challenge in a way that there was this separation of people from each other. The warmth of fellowship was taken away, and the connection, everyone was where they are. So that was very challenging. And when it came to opening everything else and leaving out the churches, that was also a concern. But at the same time, some of us would understand, because a church is known as a place where there are many hugs and handshakes and fellowships and holy communions and all that sharing. So that would be understood.
The number of COVID-19 cases in Rwanda has reached 1,729, with 900 recoveries and 5 deaths, according to the Rwandan Health Ministry. Diana Iriza, Kigali, Rwanda.